All right, New England weather weenies. Let's take a look at this week's forecast because we're going to have high pressure build two different times and give us two very different types of weather. Let's talk about it. Special shout out in this forecast to Carl Beck, who uses this weather information for roofing. Super important. Can't imagine why. Shout out to Jessica as well for coming up and saying hi and telling me all about Carl. And by the way, I love bumping into you guys like out in the real world. It is so much fun for me. It's been happening a lot more recently, and it's super fun. So anytime you see me, please feel free to come up and say hi. I'll totally do a selfie. I love it. So, getting into the forecast, let me read to you my favorite forecast discussion from weather.gov. High pressure strengthens over the region just offshore early next week. So, that's going to be like Monday, Tuesday, especially Wednesday. Dry conditions and well above normal temperatures. Then scattered showers are going to turn by late Wednesday into Thursday as a cold front approaches, and with that warm air that we're going to have, and then a cold front coming, I'm telling you right now, the ingredients are there for thunderstorms. An upper level trough, sometimes that's hard to say, will keep scattered showers over the region Friday. High pressure builds in from the north next weekend, bringing a return to cooler conditions. You're not the only ones noticing that like every weekend seems to be like the cool or the rainy or the what have you, and during the weeks it's like really nice. Try not to get too mad at Mother Nature because she gave us that like amazing aurora, but she needs to stop it. So let's talk about this high pressure. So high pressure is going to be building out in the Atlantic, like coast of Maine area. This matters because this is what's going to make it warm. Because high pressure rotates what way, my weather weenies? Clockwise. So looking ahead at the forecast, we can see, there's the high pressure that starts to build here, and high pressure rotates clockwise. So for us, it is going to be bringing warmer air from the south, and this is why we're going to have a nice little warming trend. Timing right now is Thursday-ish for this cold front to be coming down and through that's going to be extending from this low. And so that's definitely going to be bringing some rain and definitely chances of thunderstorms. After that passes, though, we see that high pressure here sets up to our kind of northeast. And once again, because it rotates clockwise, what it's going to be doing is bringing much cooler air down from the north. Timing for that's looking to be like Friday, Saturday, looks to be moving overhead-ish, maybe by Sunday or moving out. So hopefully warming up by Sunday. But that's already a week ahead, and it's about as far as I take these things. Let's look at a little bit more detail for that thunderstorm risk. Storm Prediction Center definitely interested in what this cold front's going to be doing. This is Wednesday before it reaches us, saying, yeah, there's definitely a chance that we could have severe weather develop here, but it does not progress up to New England yet. In fact, when we go to the next day, I'm not seeing anything up here. They're still focused on some storms happening down in the southern central part of the U.S. So quick overview for a place like Manchester. Yeah, today's a little bit cooler. Tomorrow getting up into the mid-70s. Warm up really coming in Tuesday, Wednesday, seeing mid to upper 80s, and here's the first chance of thunderstorms Wednesday evening. Thursday, potentially another warm day, but it's going to depend on the timing of this cold front, when the rain is going to happen, but a greater chance for thunderstorms on Thursday, but also a little bit on Wednesday, right? We just saw that, so don't ignore that. Much cooler, mid to upper 70s on Friday after that front passes. Interestingly enough, the Euro model on Thursday's storms is not nearly as bullish with the line, seeing some isolated, things, some isolated stuff here. So it'll be interesting to see as the timing gets closer, which model's right. Statistically, globally, the Euro model is better, but I really like how the GFS performs up here for us most of the time. All right, so there we go, my weather weenies. If there's any questions, you guys know how to find me. I'll definitely update. We're going to keep an eye on that thunderstorm risk for Wednesday and especially Thursday. If there's anything you guys need to know, I'll definitely let you know. So make sure you like and follow, and also make sure you're just getting my notifications and know that I'm on several platforms. So take your pick.